Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at CrowdStrike. This is ticker CRWD. Now, I want to look at this stock for a good reason. It is strong. It's in an uptrend above all the key moving averages and closed at a new all-time high today on a day where the S&P closed under the 8-day exponential period moving average, on a day when the QQQ closed under the 8-day exponential period moving average. CrowdStrike closed near the highs and is within striking distance, for lack of a better term, of hitting a new high potentially tomorrow. So this is definitely one to watch because it's showing a ton of relative strength despite all the recent market volatility with whatever's going on with trade deals and whatever's going on in the Middle East. CrowdStrike doesn't care, and the investors in the stock aren't looking to sell, and it's pretty clear based on the trend. So keep an eye on CrowdStrike to make a new all-time high tomorrow or sometime this week. Consider having an alert on CrowdStrike at around 492.70 and look for some more upside momentum on this stock. So that's just one of many we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.